Hi, this is Jackie Ann Patterson, the editor of BackTestingReport, and this video will show you how you can very quickly scan the market for MACD divergences, and in particular for MACD bullish divergences to evaluate as buy signals. So starting out, what you can see in front of you is the StockFinder software, and it's got an add-in from BackTestingReport running. And this is the layout that's the MACD lines divergences. There's also one available for histogram divergences and for another setting of the MACD. And looking at this to kind of give you a tour of what we've got in the main screen, you can see that the gray letters say SPY for the Spiders ETF that we're looking at, and its price is shown in candlesticks. They're color coded. They're mostly dull yellow for candles or bars where you don't need to do anything. When there is a buy signal, as you can see, there's one that took place towards the left side in March. Of this chart, the bars are painted green, and there's also a marker is put down below. And when there's and those buy signals will come from a bullish divergence on the MACD. We can see here where it had the bullish divergence. We can also see that it wasn't the first, so that there was an earlier buy signal. Then the price subsequently dropped, and we got another buy signal here on the SPY. And then scrolling back over, you can see the red bars. Those are the sell signals that denote an MACD bearish divergence. And so all of this comes from these little jewels right here, which are the real code that implements the search for the MACD bullish divergence or the MACD bearish divergence. And these real code modules are linked over on the left to the scanner that comes with StockFinder. And this is what can really help you be productive and very quickly zero in on the opportunities that MACD presents across the market. If I scroll upwards here, we'll see the results of scanning, and you can see the watch list here is all the US stocks, and the scan has already run, and it has flagged the cases where there is a bullish divergence with the green bar here. So if I click on UUP, we can evaluate that, oh, this is the ETF for dollar index bullish fund, and it's had several buy signals. We can tell by these green squares, and right now at the right edge of the chart there is another buy signal. So that's one interesting opportunity. We can also see AGP has an opportunity. It's flagged with a green buy signal, and ZSL, a third opportunity that happens to come up today, and that's the ProShares ultra short silver ETF. So another ETF here rising to the top as it happens on this day. And then you can see that there are some tickers over on the left that have red bars, and this is where a bearish divergence has been found on the right edge of the chart. So we can look at, for example, Coventry Health and see that it has right now a bearish divergence and the price is falling. The bars are marked red, so that's indicating sell. And if we just bring our eye back towards the left end of the chart, we can see where the buy signal came out. So that was a reasonable run that was indicated by the MACD divergences. And so you can kind of see how that works. Don't base your statistics and all your hopes on this one or two cases that I brought up here. The full statistics are in the backtesting report, and that will give you an idea of what you can expect as far as the win rates and the expectancy, and thus give you an idea of how much to risk and, of course, how much to protect yourself, because all trading does involve the risk and probably the certainty sometimes of loss, and then the occasions where you have an opportunity to make money. So speaking of which, I'll show you one of the earlier bullish divergences that was found by the scanner, and that's UAUA. I happen to be presenting to the TradeStation users group here locally and brought this one up as an example, and the price, as you can see, has gone up quite a bit since the green bars flagged the bullish divergence in July. Another example is FAZ, which came up as I was presenting to the money show in San Francisco in August, and that one you can see that it's had repeated bullish divergences, and it seems to be having it again, and as yet there has been no price movement. So this I bring up to show you that it's not 100%. This is not a magic bullet by any means, but this is a much easier way rather than, say, hunting and pecking and trying to decide, well, gee, can I think of a stock or what's on my watch list that might have a bullish divergence. This way you can just scan through, you can scan through everything as I've done right here and see what opportunities are available, and then be able to devote your time to further evaluation, or better yet, to getting out and enjoying life, and knowing that you've at least seen what opportunities are out there, and have given yourself the best choices and the best information. One other thing I want to do here is zoom in so that you can see very clearly what's happening on the chart. So we're zooming on the chart of UUP, and here you can see the MACD divergence down at the bottom. You get a real close-up view on that, and you also get a close-up of the price bars showing the green buy signal. And we can do the same thing for the ZSL Ultra Short, see what that buy signal looks like. And in this way we can zoom in, analyze the chart further, and of course we can do more diligence looking at the chart, looking at information about the companies and the ETFs outside of the charts. So if this interests you to be able to scan through the full stock market or through subsets, whatever watch list that you have that you would like to scan for MACD divergences, you can visit the software page, and that's at truthaboutmacd.com, all one word, truthaboutmacd.com/code, CODE, and that will give you more information about the software that you saw here and how you can do this for yourself. Okay, that's it. Take care. Bye-bye.